Afternoon everyone. Happy holiday. It's holiday New Year. I'm on the way to my practice for our program. We need to practice the song that we sing for the Christmas party today for our presentation. But I'm walking going to the bus stop. I need to ride the 3-digit bus direct to the main bus station, Alwada. Because in Hamdan there is no bus go direct to the bus station. That's why I'm gonna load my bus card in the bus station. See, the sun is on top of my head. Afternoon sunlight. See, this is along Kalipa Street. This is Mediclinic. The backside of Mediclinic. Next to on the way to the bus. Going to my practice today. Bye guys.